Hi guys! Welcome na naman sa isang cash stuffing video. We're going to transfer funds from our mini Mugi Memi ano ba yun? Binder. So for this week, yan, groceries. Anyway, kamusta po yung week ninyo? Nakapag-save na lahat. Nakita ko na yung mga videos niya rin and you'll be seeing this on a Sunday. So, yun lang. We're going to start off with our daily saves. And then, going to unstuff our special categories na pinaglaanan. And for our bills, loans, and credit card naman ang envelope na yan. So, actually, meron akong cash tray pero hindi ko ginagamit. Ginawa lang siyang lagayan ng binder. Anyway, so pagpasensyahan nyo na po, hindi po talaga ako aesthetic. So una, we're going to stuff our bills and month ahead binder. So we're going to stuff credit card. So may naipon akong 500 for credit card payment. So I'm going to stuff that. And actually, nababayaran ko na ng pahinay-hinay, pa konti-konti online yung credit card din. Kasi this week, merong mga clients nagbayad sa akin online. So currently, we have 600 in this envelope. Next week, isesend na po natin yan balik sa bank to pay for our credit card. Hindi nyo pa alam magkano yung credit card ko, no? Sige lang. Merong debt confession soon. Yung for the loans, yan, mamark natin. May nabayaran din konti. May naipon din konti online. Then I have 150 to be added to our loans. So, may due ako na loan sa 22. May naipon na ako doon, yung BPI loan ko. As seen in my previous video. So, ito sa home credit naman to na loan. Naku, wag kayong mag-loan sa home credit. So, ayan, we track our stuffings para alam natin where our money goes. Next, we're going to stuff our bills. 250. May yukot pa. So, balik tayo where we left off. So, mula talaga sa simula. So, we're going to stuff the month ahead envelope. Actually, di na to talaga month ahead. Ginawa ko na siyang parang lagayan ng kung ano yung isa-stuff ko sa next category. So, we have 300 now na potential na isa-stuff sa yung next envelope is the mortgage envelope. So, going to get 50 pesos. Yung goal ko sa mortgage is to pay to the principal. Annual lang kasi magpe-pay sa principal eh. So, we have already 4,000 in the bank. So, 8,000 to go para mabayaran natin yung 1 month full na back to principal, kumbaga. Para mag-lessen din yung number of years ng ating amortization. So, yun po yan for our mortgage. So, 50 pesos lang yan. Pero, 50s, 100s. It comes a long way. And medyo matagal din mag-save, ha? So, next envelope. We have for our cell phone, merong 400. We're going to add 50. We now have 450. Pero yung bills ko for the 2 lines, postpaid lines, average niya nasa 7K. May phone amortization kasi. Oo, kasi nasira din yung phone ko. So, I had to get a new one. Pero magwa 1 year na. So, malayo pa. 450 out of 7. So, loans, wag mo na, naka-staff na tayo. Then, we have our investment. Meron na akong 1,000 nakatago sa kasama sa emergency fund. So, yeah, add 50. So, we have a total of 650. Pero yung emergency fund, nilalagyan ko ng ano na, yung 1,000 na yun. Ay, wow, may nakalimutan akong 100. So, it's a total of 700 pesos. 5, 6, 750. 750 goes to our stock investment. Actually, due ko niyan sa sarili ko, 10,000 per month. Pero, hindi carry. Hindi na carry. Mabuti na lang alam nila yung situation ko. So, pinagpapasensyahan din ako. But, nagpe-pay ako at least twice a year. At umuusad naman. Walang interest naman yan. Dahil investment naman. Ay, struggle is real yan, te. Ano ba yan? Okay. Nagvo-voice over lang kasi ako ngayon. Hindi ako madaldal sa video na to. So, voice over naman. Transportation, we will add 50. We currently have 1,000 nasa Maya. Actually, pang Grab ko to. Pero, parang nag-hesitate ako na spend sa Grab. Kasi parang isang idlap lang. Mauubos lahat niyan ng 1,000 eh. Ilang araw lang yan na mag-grab sa akin eh. So, wala. Hindi ko lang muna ginalaw. Okay? Always track your stuffings. So, that's for transportation. Another 50 pesos. Then, next, we have for our helpers. Kasi malapit na yung sweldo. Mag-a-add lang ako ng 100. Yung sahod ng helpers namin is at 7K. That's just for my share. Kasi ano kami naghahati? 5 kami naghahati sa kanilang sweldo. So that's for household. Again, always track para malalaman saan napupunta yung mga pinagsa-stuff mo. O ayun, kinount ko pa ulit. Bakit kaya? Yung nangyari dito. Merong additional 50 na hindi ko na-record. Hindi ko alam saan galing. So, nilagyan ko lang ng yay. Nilagyan ko ng smiley face. 1, 2, 3, 350, 400, 450. So, we have 450. I have to raise 1,750 before the month ends para sa sweldo. Alright, so that's it. Household. Yan, mga hindi pa na stuff. So, we stopped at transportation. So, we're going to move our marker. So, sa next stuffing, magsa-start tayo sa subscriptions. Okay, that's for our bills binder. Next, yung green medyo low priority na binder. I'm going to stuff for taxes. Yes, because malapit na po ang filing ng income tax returns sa April. So, hindi lang yung bookkeeper. Ay, tithes pala to. Sorry. So, tithes. Sorry. So, anyway, I was talking about taxes. Yung taxes, hindi lang bookkeeper yung maniningil. Pati yung accountant. So, remember, hindi lang ka magbabayad ng tax, may bookkeeper pa, may accountant pa. So, ayan. Anyway, for tithes, hindi po ako nagfo-follow ng 10%. Kasi marami po akong bayarin. Pero, tinatry ko pong maglaan talaga ng para sa tights. So, next category, dito tayo sa ating sinking funds, yung red binder. Sorry, walang background sounds ha. Kasi actually, natutulog yung husband ko nito. So, tapos minsan nag-uusap kami. So, meron mga, while nag-video ako, we have 350 in travel. We're going to add, meron akong na-stuff online. Dahil nga galing yun sa bayad ng several clients online. So, ayan. Going to stuff 150. Nako, napakadugyot ng isang 50. Sige lang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 450, 500. So, we now have 500 in our travel envelope. Pag mag 1K yan, ita-transfer ko na siya sa GoTime. Alright? Next. Ano yung next? Ang saya pala mag-voice over, no? Parang nagko-komentaryo ako ng mga ginagawa ko sa video. Wala talaga akong script. Okay, balik tayo sa green binder. So, ito yung para sa car. Actually, wala akong car. Yung husband ko lang. So, yung car niya, meron na tayong 10,000 in 2 accounts. So, yung husband ko merong car. So, lahat yan, siya naman gumagastos. Passenger princess lang po ako. Gusto kong magka-car kasi minsan mahirap. Marami pa akong dala. Pag mag-commute ako ng bongga, para akong naglalako ng ng tinda. Nahihirapan ako. So, parang for me, kailangan ko ng sasakyan. So, I am saving up for it. 10K pa lang yung exclusive na car na savings. Pero, meron akong nalaan ng konti ng pang-down. Pero kailangan ko pang mag-driving school. Which is also mahal. Nasa 7K din. 7 to 8K din yung lessons. Pero kakakuha ko lang ng student's permit last time. So, going back to our sinking funds binder, we're going to stuff our daily save. Ito na yung makapaglaan tayo, makapag-distribute ng funds. So, saan tayo nag-stop last time? So, we stopped at events, yung Christmas at birthdays. So, for daily save, we have 150, but naglang 200, 250. So, we have 250. So, first, sino yung maswerteng makakuha ng 100 pesos? Yung Christmas at birthday. So, we currently have 1,000 na. Grabe, no? Since November ko yan pinag-ipunan ang 1,000 dyan. So, magba-back to back na siya soon. Ayan, and we're going to stuff 100. So, we now have 1,100 in the envelope. So, baka next week, itatago ko na yung 1,000 sa high yield savings account. Okay, next we have for shopping. Ito yung shopping. We have 500. Nilalagay ko sa Maribank. Kasi yung Shopee lang naman yung pang Pero, ngayon, mas conscious na ako. So, now we have 550. Mas conscious na ako. Hindi na ako, as much as possible, hindi na ako nag-e-pay later. Ay, struggle yan, te. Next, we have for gifts. So, ito yung gifts. Hindi siya lumalago kasi minsan nadudukutan ko talaga. So, like, last time, yung mga love gift, yung mga minor na mga sa church. So, dito ako kumukuha. Like, mga pang-cake naman dyan. Naman dyan. Dito ako kinukuha sa gifts. Sana lumago siya, pero parang mahirap siyang lumago dahil parati po siyang nadudukutan to give naman. So, it serves its purpose. For pets, yung last 50 will go to the pets fund. So, finally, nakakita rin ako ng cheaper na pagbilhan ng puppy food. Medyo out of the way lang siya, pero at least, 'di ba? So, kesa Royal Canin yung kinakain. Bongga. So, yung pets, may time doon na nag-negative ako. Last month yata, dahil nagkaroon kami ng medyo urgent na vet visit nung nagsuka at nagdiarrhea yung puppy ko. But naka-recover din sa awa ng Diyos after spending mga around 3K. Wow! So, ayun. Kailangan na lang mag-ipunan, not just for the food but also for those vet visits na hindi mo talaga pinaplano. So, that's it for our cash stuffing this week. And for this binder, we're going to transfer our marker. Natapos tayo sa pets. Next, stuffing sa insurance na tayo magsa-start. So, yun yung purpose ng marker. Para every envelope happy. Okay. So, yung hindi na stuff insurance, beauty, ano yun? Overhead ba yun? Hindi. Dental, medical, at yung madalang na 200 pesos challenge. Alright. So, pets. Ang na-stuff for this week, pets, gifts, shopping, events, yung Christmas at birthdays, travel, hindi po yan nawawala kasi parati akong nagta-travel. Dining out, hindi yan na-stuff yan yung previous pa market. At si Totoro, hopefully meron akong ma-add kay Totoro next week. So, that's it for our cash stuffing this week. Hope to see you again sa mga susunod na videos. I'm planning to do a budget closeout. Bye! Thank you!